lecturers were pipidu mienu Western region wo pabesi Petroleum Hub me pa chausi tagefo se abide ne nsache enkrata bi ase Dr. Laji Mamudu Bawumia se wonyi emro asoafo adunum se wonyankropon alade nachi na wo babeye emampania Professor Nana Je opoko agyeman so de nsem bia kwa akotudwa e wala pass edwom ya kaseboyi ya de ebremu ya bebo de ewremu e wo Western North nananom e hyefa wo mo de nsem bi so ene kokobo e de atu edwa na Chief Imam enso de aye echawpa edema yenuanom akwarefo na de eho chawpani we ni kasebo anope ye de bremu na poso osumfo wo hini ni ama krancha dot of mami premier ni mi na meti akonwa mu me ko ne konton cross solo na mde kasebo no abremu Dia wabo adwuma se komisa abedi akire e wa batran ye Dr. Bosman Asare eno waka says we August bosumi ne de toso aduonu kopem September bosumi ne de toso enson frano panon so kopem nwumre no nsia so obi biada watwe odin saf bofia ba to betu bie no wo be kono akwa akwohye odin osi we eye de di kan a wo ye se adwuman na wode eye abato nwuma no so de ama amanyokwo awudro ni osi we ye provisional register obi amomodin so obekọ akọhye ne din
registration outside of your process never be granted to a months about you are register and your registration Russia yes country parties na parties inform agents in bra the never no candidate and ya dia go wo mutino say you can say never be election be and never ni papa kan ya no be ya baba the best say media ni mu metu anamono sa never na ya ya mama na ma ya ni kwa na mu kan say o ni say je o kan no bia eni ye na ya pese o ma na so je bia ko so kama ti en kan o ke na bia ya kama o je tu ba ni so say ya kan ayi protocol se mu yeah, chance of Chania, or try 20th August, near August 27th. The chance of Papiano for near point some years ago, one registered, no registered for 2020, and now to about 2020. 2023 district assembly elections go to about, and another register 2023, and our fees who now register 2024, limited registration, and now more crowd. A very nice of the police station over here, no to it. No occurrence and back with you one.
O se kwan abefa so abe odin so ubetimi afawo utete phone no wa dial *711 *51 hash eno so ye kwan a ubetimi ahwese odin no e wo mu a my process I Dr. Akufu Dampare and Walker say Ebrana wade abambo form wuranom etwetwen komofa afie abato no ho and was obedi obetun bi adase asumdwa ekramu no ebekuramu se pampe osi afie abato no ye de hunye ye wiase nyina re braje dodo amemotu mu se de be ye adwuman ye betumi ekuta ye mudie ni yasumdwa ekramu no so ana osi obedi obetumi bia obi bia da wodo obe wadwin so wi oproman wo fa boganye swan na dem rabe shon se mo si bibi na wonti ase e kwan ho a ye fa so na ne so mudi a obaji wani super
opportunity to thank all the stakeholders, the political parties, the EC, my colleagues at all the security agencies, civil society organizations, and all other stakeholders, especially also the media, the role they are playing. They have played so far and they will continue to play to ensure that this exercise becomes a success. Going forward, in terms of the voter register exhibition that we are working on starting from tomorrow, we want to give the assurance that across the 38,622 polling stations, we are deploying at all the places, and we have rapid response team to go and also manage any situation with de-escalation mindset.
Dr. Ekufu Dampare Mampayini Nanado Dankwa Ekufu Adwasuna Wamprekwa Bema Boada Wadi Aso Abofom Ewo Atoye Mantemu Jomoro Municipality America Dredas wa pipi edu emienu ya odi babesi Petroleum Hub Osuwe babe boa emanka from Ejawi Sabwa gas ne fam goa ye turi konkrofa ma so kosa kiremuni esande bre ya bodeno ye ne ayetumi aye ade Osuwe be ankura no be se empema miensa ene ye betumi so ayie enum no mebunu be se empem so aduowoche ene benya adwuma so aye.
This is the first phase of our three-phase hub, estimated to cost some $12 billion United States dollars. It is expected to result in the construction of one, a 3,000 barrel per day refinery. 2, 3 million cubic meters of storage tanks. It's a 300,000 barrel, I'm sorry. 3, a petrochemical plant. 4, jetty and port infrastructure. 5, offer base and ancillary infrastructure. And 6, social amenities. In our strategic approach, we have divided this project into 3 independent phases. Each phase upon completion will serve as a standalone hub, forming collectively a petrochemical industrial park sprawling across some 20,000 acres.
And which CEO ya odejmedia ya no ne owuracha so usu onu tu cheche mu mfaso a wo man no ebenya.
The Petroleum Hub project is envisioned to be a game changer in providing jobs, promoting technological transfer, and positioning Ghana as a center for refining and trading of petroleum and petrochemical products and services, thus equally balancing objectives for economic growth, environmental management, and human capital development. The journey to this day has not been easy, but with hard work, patience, zeal for success, and effective collaborations, we are all gathered here to be part of this momentous event.
Yetwa kasiabono eso sitagefo na ekasa isa ban no de nsahye apam krata ase jumbu so me ne da na etoso enan na National Labour Commission fo hihye ya omdigu akwam nyina da ase ya akoye ntwensen na National Trustee Maxwell Bunu ene de asem de ato nsentwofo nim ya wo cheche mu se July akatua etika mu ene wo mu hawa wodo bi ana mo rekwan sen company fo ebe ya ma wo mu ne nam so be mu mutumi akọ school dem akọ chenko frade no eno akoye boachibidin nanso ni nyina mu osofo awore apedie ene enuma nsem so papa Ignatius bafo awia ene wo kasa se yamane enua no wo beje ntete ya cheche fa sabre woti efie no ade bi esese osua ate aka mu no wo yedi obetum se wo ba obetum aka ni nyina abomasua ne nte wo mo abomo na ba bi o mu obi o mu fo mu ni enkere o mu sukwadan ahodo emu.
You know, of course I must admit that this agreement reached has brought a lot of joy to a greater extent because we realize that the staff audit report, specifically the nomenclature spelled out in the staff audit report, has been agreed by both the government and CITAC. And this was one bone of contention that we were actually demanding that we should be given, and we have been given. So it's a major plus for us, and we want to thank all the government agencies. But we want to say that the rest of the agreements are a little challenging.
Yetwa so Franka Krafoya ukra Franka Adima NPP amanyoko Dr. Alaji Kwabnajimai Mamudu Bawumia Nyansa container ena waka say ena no woman is swade ho manifesto wapon tuma watoye mantem ekrotam eye takradimu na our sister nyame no nyankopon Allah di no wafo vie Ghana foto abama no be mampania na so afo no emro aduonum kra o say so me obi pesu obun man na wo ye ni ya enya swafo dodo into obebo ne homoden asene ministers no embru 50 kura afenie me bia nke betumi aye no mayi mu se printing ho niema shine ade aye kra na brochema afie bia aban no boka bebre no ni nyina ebe no manim nam so man krankra wo ye se adwumade ni bi wo manim so enya so emfa so.
Budget can save very significant amounts in outright cash expenditure annually from various items across different ministries, departments, and agencies. The policy will energize the private sector to invest in their expansion and create many jobs. Enhancing the role of the private sector, along with fiscal and administrative decentralization, improving our systems and the way your institutions function will lead to greater efficiency, cutting waste, and ensuring value for money in procurement. The move towards the private sector provision of many public services would create the fiscal space of at least 3% of GDP.
Dr. Alaji Kwabnaji Mamudu Bawumia Enyetene Enkan na Professor Nana Jane Opokwa Jimai Wanonso Yangumeshemi Bufo Yetua Pemu Edema Penida da His Excellency John Dramani Mama Ogogo PM Okan Queen of La Paz Drum any Onuswa de Kutia Kakra light Eden and Tentenwa was on TV da sen anwat Papa Bawumia Epan manifesto Untumako Kase Wama de Bank Beba Eba Bebwa SME Eba Bebwa Wama Juma enkumenkuma enso ewo ho ne no nana je opokwa agima e chire mu se wo be dia wanya ne ene ya na re nti no mso de woman development bank bebenti NMPP fo nso beka sa semene ensam do buru su bi chire ema no
and so yes, you know what is that. Yes, what about and we say and Puntuba and some big little here to Abba. And some woman pass, Abamia to the sun, and yes, she unites me, Iraqan Kakra. Then unites me every state of Kakra. And what you want to hear me say that? Only I am Kakra. Yes, I after the Rumra. And Puntuma, and just a bunch of camels. Who said Teresa, my Papa, no more? Now, communication center, no, and is the property.
And which way or kind queen of Emrashabe Jani or Munyan for Teresa Ladi Awuni, or also Ekasa is into Abamano, near to Abanso, Emani Kendini.
The same line. Or Chifuopi was fine forever. After 3 months, the fortunes of our nation will change. And yes, the game changer, John Dramani Mahama, and I am now near Batampa, Mamio Denge, Eba Bekahu, Namuna Abataya, the Tigan Ahua, Obumaya, the Yawamu Manua, the Shawamu National, the Pumtuma, Ama Asiye, Ama Obia, and yes,
Ohini ya was every bonzan. Now say krontre ma se yo so na nanoma trankonya. Na no for ya nkai otosumienu e de afutu aba wo bra no mudi eliewu afashe. Na asema okasa hun say creating peaceful atmosphere for 2024 election before, during and after the role of traditional leaders. E wona na na ichire mu se afiaba to no na nanoma enfo ya de obedi dwumason e de wo mankabo mu ne asumdwenso etumi Ediaba, was share party, a candifo nyina, so one cancha woman tafo, yen a dear friend is said Gemini, yang tum, Cassandri, yang fro now if I will am I home. Na fe was in anonymous, any a buying a bamboo for, woman kebi, woman, I no drew boom, woman at Tepon, woman in Abeka boom, I shall say as some Jenny a dear decay, ewa abatroi emo.
Esa woto oman mu na sa asomdwene mu a bibia ne ho a obetimi aye from my past experience no me hunu de asomdwene timi ye be say elections ho e ma antokwa bebre asisi wo amama bebre so enti de me ko ho ekohu ye ohaw ene abebresa omanfo no ekomu especially ema emrewa nkokora ene mofra no ti se ye beto aba ifi se asomdwe ya de a eho hia mapa se ye to aba na wi a wulusu e wo se ye hu se we walusu na de onwene ye nso no wa congratulate ne se wa wone
we nana ofori ahenkan enweche Professor Jena no pokwa agyeman ya okogina mu His Excellency John Dramani mama ono so di bika ho.
Yes, yes, sure, the bay assumed by Yura Abato Afimi. The bay and son a bet to Abano, now some Jeho. Yet to Abano society, baby, so now some Jenny Ewo. And can you some the Mekanka? Ya, Jena Hayina, say a Ghana for Ghana, then go beyond him, say, and to call baby Nanya Ghana. I had not to cause you be promo Johnny back. Aname boa no abeka ye ho wabedom ye eso ni sagana de ye pass mje ese ye de ya jiji ahoho ani ankanye saa se de aba betina ha boko yin kanye saa.
Me pacho 21st clinic say or the sciatica neighbor South Africa. We free European to no more bench addition South Africa baby ada ya to asinti twetwen wo sciatica ya de bi ejeje wo no wo betimi afa na wabuku e was supplying so 0244 915 116 Liberty Conference e basso 31st August edition Jubilee Park anopano nsia pepepepepepe osifa okrata mienu de ha uchrogu ade ba akoso de wo mpechrogu ade ba akoso mo betwa jatum e de ahye no o kan na ba akoka ho no na mo beso na mo de abom pae onyame akoa oman ni ya wadu wache e na wo free adwomtofo eye kwa me pepra kwa kujasi ene kofi pepra ene minister kwa mi ejedu osibra na obeye nhira OCP fertilizer ne kan fo de manananom akuafo nyina da se munye na mufa eni mujuma na matoso de no so entumi enso doso asante yeboa Benedict oni se mufo penny osone kasebo isokrochen edema me ma mbegu ho asem so edema mo Kukwa Veronica Jandra ho fedua ne televidie na chi ema Shadrack ene na pamfo so bo adwuma ewo MCR wano pe wo somfo ohinini ama kranchada zo of mami premeni mo amudi ye chi ewo ye media ne awodro ni nyina so TikTok live erade enhwamu bebre yadama se ama momonitia wojeme enyado
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techima eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho